Motor Core Replacement Guide. Flip the display over and turn the e-bike upside down. Remove the rear axle nut protective covers. Then, remove the rear wheel mounting bolts. Remove the reinforcement plate mounting bolts and take off the reinforcement plate. Remove the rear axle nut protective covers. Then, remove the rear wheel mounting bolts. Remove the rear axle stop washer. Disconnect the motor wiring harness and remove the rear wheel. Remove the rear axle stop washer. Remove the brake disc mounting bolts and take off the brake disc. Prepare the new motor. Remove the screws from the motor core side cover. Tap the motor axle lightly on the ground to remove the motor core. Prepare the new motor. Remove the washer from the old motor and install it on the new one. Stand the hub upright and install the new motor core. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the brake disc, paying attention to the correct front and back orientation. Tighten the bolts in a cross pattern. Install the rear wheel, paying attention to the chain. Install the axle stop washer on the sprocket chain side. Install the rear wheel mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Install the rear axle nut protective covers. Connect the motor wiring harness. Install the reinforcement plate and tighten the mounting bolts. Install the rear wheel mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Install the rear axle nut protective covers.